Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 2, guys. I am happy you're here. I am happy to be here. We are working today on a Paramount gallery wrap canvas. These guys are a little bit deeper and I absolutely love a deep canvas. It's a 12 by 24 inch. A wonderful size. These were gifted to me by my sweet friend Courtney Hauscher, and I promise to make good use of them. We're going to be doing kind of a different swipe today. We're going to do a split base coat. Half of our base coat is going to be this yummy gold and the other half is going to be this black. What we have here is our soft body acrylics by Loft in the black. And what we have here is a little leftover paint that Courtney gifted me in a big old jug. This is actually Golden Iridescent Gold in the fine. Now Courtney's pouring medium is a little bit thinner than mine. It's 75% Golden GAC 800 and 25% Floetrol. So what I did was I added a little bit more Floetrol to this just to thicken it up a little bit more. It leaves very little trace, guys. Just a creamy little mound before it dissipates into the paint below. So I also added into this because I did this painting last night and I made a few mistakes and I was determined to come down here and do it again using the same colors and the same technique. And one of the things that I found was just using the Golden Iridescent Gold Fine in my base coat, it was a little bit too muted of a gold, so I kicked it up a notch by adding some of the Pebeo Iridescent, excuse me, Precious Gold into it. So we have the fluid iridescent gold and we have the Pebeo Precious Gold in here, and it just made a very soft, nice, a little bit of a richer gold for me, which is what I was hoping for. Now, all of our swiping paints are mixed with 50% Floetrol and 50% Golden GAC 800. We have about a half a part paint because we're using our golden fluids and their pigment is strong. 1 part Floetrol, 1 part Golden GAC 800. With this paint, the black, which is the Loft soft body, the pigment is not as strong as my golden fluid paint. So we are 1 part paint, 1 part Golden GAC 800, 1 part Floetrol. So in this cup right here, we have more of our base coat color, which is the Loft soft body in the black. In this cup right here, we have golden fluid iridescence in the burnt sienna. And in this cup right here, more of our base coat color, which is the golden fluid iridescent gold and the Pebeo acrylics iridescent precious gold. So these 2 cups are just more of our base coat that I put aside so that I did not use them up, and we threw the burnt sienna into the mix. Now we have 2 more other colors here, which are going to be our swiping colors. Right here and right here in these 2 cute little cups. This is just the Loft soft body acrylics in the black, and this right here is a mix of our 2 other colors, which are the golden fluids burnt sienna, and I added to that to kind of richen it up the studio acrylics in the iridescent precious gold. So that's what's in this cup right here. Now the only difference between these 2 cups, our pouring medium and our other colors, is the pouring medium that I used. I'm still fiddling, I'm still experimenting, guys, and the pouring medium in here is the Amsterdam pouring medium. You can see that I've used it all up. I've been experimenting away with this stuff. But these are the only two paints in the small cups that have the Amsterdam pouring medium in them. And they are the same consistency as our base coat and our other swipe colors, guys. So we're going to see what they do, if they're still going to make some explosive cells. Now we're going to do a split colored base coat, and then I'm going to layer our gold, our burnt sienna, and our black in a cup. I'm going to do a traveling ring pour, and then I'm going to swipe half of it. Kind of fun, huh, guys? I think so. Easy breezy. Let's go ahead and put some tunes on, guys. Let's get busy.
dancing while the spring's still here. They don't make haste cause they know what's coming. We try to wash away our broken years, but it's so hard in the cold summer. dreams, they're slowing down to get their sleep. They've had enough bringing life to others, but I still don't know what else to seek but your smile in the morning hour.